we're going to talk about mouse clicks. So I've written this little program. It creates a canvas of size 640 by 640. It sets the x coordinate to 0 to 640 and the same for y. There is a for loop that starts variable 0, z at 0, goes up to 640 and increments by 1 to 8 each time. And inside it draws two lines, a vertical and horizontal and vertical. So that'll draw a grid, and we can see that if we run this. Right, there's my grid. What I'm going to do is record where the mouse was clicked in screen coordinates and also calculate the number of the box that the mouse was clicked in. So to do that, I'm going to write a while loop. It repeats forever while true, and inside I read one mouse click each time. So I'm going to say while not standard draw mouse pressed. So while there is no mouse press, we do nothing, we just wait. And this will stop as soon as I click the mouse, and then I record the mouse coordinates. Standard draw.mouse x, and the same for y. And before I display those coordinates, I'm also going to wait until the mouse is released. So at the moment the mouse has been clicked and I picked up the coordinates, but while the mouse is clicked, I'm going to do nothing. And then once it's released, let's scroll that up. Once it's released, I'm going to calculate the box coordinates. And the y coordinate. So mx and my are doubles. I divide by an integer, so I get a double. And I cast that to an int to get the integer coordinates. And then I'm simply going to display them. So I'll display mx plus my x plus y. Right, let's run this. Okay, so now if I click in a box, I get the screen coordinates converted to the box coordinates. So down here is 0, 0. So if I click in this box, I get quite small screen coordinates, and the box is 0, 0. And if I click up here, I get large screen coordinates, and the box is 4, 4. If I click in this box 4, 4, and without releasing the mouse, I move it around, and I end up, let's say, in box 1, 1, it'll still display 4, 4 because that's where the box was clicked and the coordinates were recorded. But of course, I can move this recording of the coordinates to after the release of the mouse. Let's see how that works. If I click up here without releasing, I'm going to move the mouse, and I move it down to box 1, 1. I'm recording the release in box 1, 1. And we can use this to program mouse drags, which we'll do next time.